Hey everyone, Lennon here with LFI Digital Marketing. If you don't know already, my name is Lennon and I provide tips and tricks on digital marketing and affiliate marketing. And I find ways for you to make money and not lose money. So in today's video, like I've been posting all over social media, I'm going to be going over the Freelance Marketing Secrets ebook. So let's hop right in. So, as you can see here, I've got it open. I'm going to follow it step by step. It's by Kiala Kanai with Fullstaq Marketer. Brief introduction, and they do mention, whether you want to register for the training or not. He's done his best to at least get you started, which is the truth. I truly believe that. A little background about him. Basically, he went from a broke barista working at a coffee shop to making 6 to 7 figures online through affiliate marketing. All right, so let's start with the step 1. So the first thing that needs to be done is to find an audience that has a problem that needs solving or a desire that needs to be fulfilled. So he says it's as simple as using the Google Keyword Planner. Okay, let's go to that. And the example he's using is lose weight. So we're here at the Keyword Planner. You can go to ads.google.com or just do a Google search for Google Keyword Planner. Go to Keyword Planner. All right, here we are. And next within it, the phrase is going to be lose weight, and it's going to show you a number of related searches as well as how many people are searching for that keyword phrase each month. Now, what he doesn't specify is which one of these options do we have to use. So, the one you want to use is discover new keywords. So we click on that, and going by his example, people have a problem losing weight, so let's go with that. So lose weight, I'm going to type that in, hit enter, and then click on get results. All right, so if you see in this column here, average monthly searches, it's 100,000 to 1 million monthly searches. So clearly it is in demand and there is a problem for it. That is a problem. So there's a lot of people searching for that keyword phrase each month. So what's it all mean? So, well, it shows that hundreds of thousands of people are looking for various weight loss solutions. And this is true. You can search for anything, any problem that you can dream up of. For example, I'm going to go with one of these here. I'm going to copy and paste, how to stop anxiety. So we scroll back up, click here, exit out of lose weight, and how to stop anxiety. Again, enter, get results. Let's see what we get. How to stop anxiety. Here it's 1 to 10,000 searches a month. Not as much, but still a good amount. Now they give you the keyword ideas that you can work off of. How to calm anxiety attack or a panic attack. So 10 to 100,000 for those. And again, the list goes on of the different problems that people might have. So we found an audience, we found the problem, okay? And the higher the search volume, the more money there is to be made because more people are looking to buy. All right, let's move on to step 2. So step 2, we found a large audience with the problem that needs solving. So now we find a product or the offer to promote to them, the solution that they need. So that's where affiliate networks step in. So basically, affiliate networks connect product creators and marketers like you and I who want to promote their products, and we earn a commission for doing so. So in this example, he's using ClickBank. So again, I'm not seeing this mentioned anywhere, so you have to go to clickbank.com. I already have my login info, so I'm going to log in. You have to sign up for an account with it. It's free, don't worry, don't have to pay anything. Okay, back to the PDF. So, all right, well, he doesn't mention in the PDF how to go to the marketplace. Oh, it's right in the image. So you click on marketplace, then you enter your keyword to search for relevant products. So let's see what's going on here. So once you log into ClickBank, you get to your dashboard. What it fails to mention is, you have to create an account and give yourself a nickname. Okay? Close that, sorry about that. Clicked on it by accident. You give yourself a nickname, and then over here on the left side, you click on Affiliate Marketplace. All right. So you're going to do a search in Affiliate Marketplace on ClickBank. So I clicked on Marketplace. Now we're going to enter the keyword to search for a relevant product. So again, we're going to go with this example, lose weight. So let's go back here. Lose weight. Okay. So as you can see here, it's broken down by category. You have a couple of filters here that you can go through, and the actual offers over here. Now, the easiest way to do this, if you want to find, what's offering the most, go to average conversion. You can put a minimum of $50 if you want. Okay? Then click enter. Now you start finding, average conversion, what you get. $77 here, $167 here, $742 here, $105 here. So go back to the PDF. Okay. So as a general rule of thumb, the higher the commission that can be earned, the greater the profits. And of course, we like profits. So assuming this is a product you want to promote, we simply click the promote button next to the offer, which will give us our affiliate link. So go here. Let's just say we want to promote this one. Click on promote. Nickname of your account. Like I said, once you sign up, you have to create the account and give it a nickname. That's important. So I'll go with my nickname here. Tracking ID is optional. Then you click on create the hop link. There is your hop link. You copy it and save it somewhere where you won't lose it, of course. Go back to the PDF. So that's going to be your affiliate link for the product that you want to promote. And it's essentially how the product creator tracks which affiliate is making a sale. So all the sales that come from that affiliate link that you just copied is going to be credited to us, the marketer, and qualifies for commissions on that sale. All right, on to step 3. All right, so we identified the audience with the problem, and we now have an offer to promote to them. The next part is we create a sales funnel that enables us to sell as much of this product as humanly possible, mostly on autopilot. Mostly, that's good. Not, all of it is on autopilot, but mostly. So here's a blueprint. And again, he recommends that you register for the free training workshop, the masterclass, which I have a description below this video. Definitely register for that because I took it and it explained a lot of things for me. Okay? And it was free. So we're going to break it down. So the circle here, this is the audience. And here's the ad. So it's going to be an ad that we're going to deliver to that audience. So when someone clicks on this ad here, they're going to be taken to the squeeze page. Probably wondering where squeeze page is if you don't know already. So it's an extremely simple website that we're going to use to capture the contact info or the email of the person who clicked on our ad. So it preframes the offer and gives the visitor an incentive to hand over their contact info. Here's an example of a headline on the squeeze page. Now, we'd only use that headline if the offer can fulfill that promise. So we want to do a little bit of research first on the product that we're promoting. We don't want to put a headline that's saying, you'll lose, 75 pounds in 2 minutes. That's a bunch of BS. We don't want to lie in our marketing. Like it says here, it ruins the industry and it makes you look like a douche. It's being real. So the person who clicked on our ad is now on the squeeze page and they're serious enough about getting the proposed result. They'll likely enter their email address for more info. So again, we're going to go from the ad. They click on the ad, go to the squeeze page, then fill in their email, get the email. Okay? Then they're going to automatically be sent to the affiliate link, which we copied and pasted, that sends them to the sales page for the offer and gives them a chance to buy. So we go from the ad to the squeeze page, right to the offer. Okay. Now, you'll notice in the blueprint there are 2 arrows leading away from the squeeze page, one to the offer and one to the autoresponder. So back up here, one goes to the offer and one arrow goes to the autoresponder. Now you're probably wondering what the autoresponder is. So it's an email marketing database. So when someone enters their email for more info regarding the offer, it captures the email and it allows us to send more marketing material to that prospect. It's called an autoresponder because it emails the recipient on autopilot. So he makes a good point here with something to think about. The chances of someone landing on the sales page of the offer and choosing to buy it right there and then is very slim, right? It's probably slim. And there's a good example too. How often do you stumble on an offer and just whip out, your debit card or credit card and just pay for it on the spot? Not often, right? So the same is true for everyone else. So by capturing the prospect's email, we have the ability to send them follow-up emails on autopilot. So that's multiple opportunities to sell the offer. So important. To me, this is a little out of order, but it is important. So before even placing the ad for the offer, you want to create 7 to 10, sometimes more, follow-up emails in the autoresponder that will go out for the next 7 to 10 days after someone enters their email address on that squeeze page we had talked about. So those emails might contain testimonials from other users of the offer, in-depth info about the offer, objection handlers like, oh, well, this isn't all natural. Well, actually it is, and here are the ingredients, things like that. And all of these emails are going to link back to the offer page, giving the recipient a chance to purchase. And when they do, we get paid a commission. And this all happens on autopilot. You set it up once, and then the tech takes care of the rest. So once again, I'm going to go over the blueprint. You have the audience, you have the ad that's going to lead them to the squeeze page. If they're serious about it, they're going to fill in the email and get sent to the offer. And we also get the email and the autoresponder emails that are created before the ad is even made. So once you go there, you're going to keep promoting for 7 to 10 days. You can even make an autoresponder with 30 emails if you want, promoting the product or giving value to the person, things like that. And eventually they go to the offer and they make the purchase. All right, let's keep scrolling here. So there's obviously a lot more to this than can possibly be conveyed in a simple handbook like this one, which is the truth. Now, again, register for the online training workshop, that masterclass. It's free and it goes over a lot of things that can't be explained in this handbook, which is also why I'm doing the video to help you all out that have the handbook. If you don't have this, Freelance Marketing Secrets ebook, there are There's also going to be a link in the description below of this video. You can get it. It's free. Just obviously need your email to send it to you. Okay. And over here, he also offers resources for the autoresponder, the squeeze page builder, and there's also tracking software. And the tracking software is used to track where the people are getting the offer from. So, an example. Let's just say you have this lose weight product and you have an ad running on Facebook. Well, with the tracking software, you'll know it's coming from Facebook. Or if you have a YouTube ad, it's coming from YouTube. Or if you're doing both, you're going to see which one is, getting more results, either Facebook or the YouTube ad. So the tracking software will provide you with the tracking link. And again, you have some affiliate networks on here, like ClickBank, ClickShare, Warrior Forum, Max Bounty. There is a lot of affiliate networks out there you can go with. Now, I will say, I took the masterclass myself. It was helpful, it was clear. And I think at the end, there was an option to attend something called a Business Launch Challenge, a BLC. Now, it's not crazy expensive. It's not like, $997 or $3,000 like most of these other programs are. The BLC is a chance where they help you set up your online business. Friday, Saturday, half of Sunday. I did it. Only cost $40. That's it. $40. I use that to fill up my gas tank. I use that to get groceries. I mean, it's $40. $40 or thousands of dollars to set up an online business. They have done for you ads. They have the squeeze page already, created for you. And it's one that converts. And the process is you get leads overnight, Saturday night. You wake up and you might have 25 leads. You might have maybe 60 leads. People that have gone to the squeeze page, filled out their email, and have gone into the autoresponder. Okay, I say it's worth it. For $40, it's definitely worth it. So there's going to be a link to the masterclass, the Freelance Marketing Secrets ebook, and the Business Launch Challenge in the description below. I'm going to be updating that Business Launch Challenge because they have it once a month, again, Friday, Saturday, part of Sunday. I'll put in the dates and I'll keep updating this video with those dates. Okay, so I hope this has been helpful. If you want, there was one more thing with the resources. Definitely get started with GetResponse and ClickFunnels. I'll have links to those too, or you can just link it because the PDF also has the links to it. I will say start with those because that's, how they guide you through it if you take the Business Launch Challenge. And then go with that, get used to it. But I also, if you want something cheaper, to be honest, once you get used to that, there's something called system.io that I have an overview/tutorial on. There'll be a link to that in the description below also. That is basically the squeeze page, the autoresponder packed into one. They have a free version and they have a paid version, and it's not as expensive as ClickFunnels. Okay, so there's going to be a link to system.io if you want to check it out, and a link to that quick overview/tutorial. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope you get the ebook. I hope you get some results, attend the masterclass, and just break away from your 9 to 5. All right, this is Lennon with LFI Digital Marketing. Like, subscribe, give me a comment, give me some feedback. If this sucks, let me know. If it doesn't, let me know. That's good too. All right, bye.